but it's like 40 feet down and the water is freezing cold. How can he hold his breath that long?
Oh, we got another bag. Bro, you got 700 grand on the boat. Just stop now. Just stop now. Just leave it on the bottom of the lake. We can do the next.
No!
All right, he doesn't care. At this point, the car was literally at the bottom of this 45-foot deep lake, making it almost impossible for Mac to retrieve the last $100,000.
Yeah, you know, really cannot. It's black down there. There's nothing.
Are you officially calling it?
I can't see the car, Jimmy. It's gone. Yeah.
Oh, the boat's tilting. Wow, you are very athletic. Do you like this video better or the other video better?
Dude, this video is like 10 times as intense.
I know. And even though this looked very crazy, there was actually 7 safety divers on standby to make sure Mac didn't die. Your prize is now 700 grand. But from here on out, it's all or nothing. Mac has to face the 3 remaining fears to walk out of this with his 700 grand. This one might be the hardest one.
Okay. Is it grosser than spiders?
Just come on in. Inside this room is a metal box. In order to progress, you'll need to reach inside the box and pull out what's inside. And before you put your hand in the box, we're gonna need you to sign this. It just basically says that you can't sue me if anything in there hurts you. Just sign right there. All right, we got it signed.
What is it, like an animal or something?
There are things in this box. Just step up here. You put your hand in one of these holes.
Okay.
And there's a thing in here you need to pull out.
Oh, dude, that is freaky as, okay.
I'm just gonna make sure it's moving.
Stop.
Okay, go for it. It clearly has not touched him yet. No matter what, once you grab onto it, you have to pull it out. What you grabbed is our brand new Feastable Wars. We got all new branding and a better tasting formula. Let's try it together.